Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making tomato sausage stew. Yes, sausage stew. It is very easy to make. It takes no time and it goes very well with every side dish. So come with me, let's get started. So for this recipe, of course, you need sausage. If you're a sausage lover, a whole lot of it. You need some local spices, garlic and ginger. You need some fresh tomato, you need onions, you need tomato paste, and of course some pepper, and of course any spices of your choice. You can choose to use any spices you prefer, but we are using curry, nutmeg, onga stew, and some maggi and some salt to taste. You can also choose to add any preferred spices, and of course not forgetting our vegetable oil. So we start by blending our vegetables. We cut it into smaller pieces so that our blender can easily blend it, just like in the video. So we go ahead and add the oil in our pan. We saute the onions for about 5 minutes. So guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Hit on the notification button to get notified anytime we post new and exciting recipes. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for always sticking with us. So we added a bit of mackerel fish, just because, why not? Yes. Then we go in with our blended pepper mixture. We let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after it has been cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes, you go in with your spices, all of your spices at this point. Once you've added your seasonings, you stir and make sure that it dissolves in the stew, and you let that sit for about 10 minutes also. Then you go in with your tomato paste. We're going to fry this on a low to medium heat. And you make sure that you continue to stir so that it doesn't get burnt. At this point, you need to be careful because it might splatter all over you and you might get burnt, so you need to be extra careful. If possible, you can cover it with a lid. So after your tomato paste has fried for about 10 to 15 minutes, you go in with your fresh tomatoes. And you stir that as well so that it doesn't get burnt. So at this point, if you think your stew is too thick, you can add water, a bit of water, so that it cooks it very, very nicely. And of course, we had some powdered shrimp and powdered fish pepper, and we added it to our sauce just because we can, yes. But that's optional. You can choose to leave that out. If you don't want it, you can choose to leave it out. But it adds an extra taste and flavor to your dish when you add it. So you can add it to your sauce. So at this point, your stew would be smelling very nice. And there you add your sausages to your stew. You make sure that it stays in it for about 15 to 20 minutes whilst you continue to stir. So once oil begins to form on top of the stew, you know that your sausage tomato stew is ready. Then you can add your green bell pepper and some tomatoes just for enhancing the stew and garnishing it. Yes. Yeah. So at this point, your stew is ready to be served with any side dish. And of course, we will be pairing ours with some plantain here and there. And it goes very well with rice dishes too. So if you're a lover of sausages, I will recommend this stew for you. It is very easy to make and it is very delicious. So if you're a sausage lover, hey, this is for you. So let us know if you'll be trying this dish. Comment, like, let us know what you think. And please don't forget to share for us and kindly subscribe to our channel. Yes, let us grow together. Please subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.